What's going on, YouTube? This is what would Josh do, and this is a super exciting video. Very freaking exciting because this is a brand new release. I actually learned about this about a week and a half ago, and people started posting videos of this thing, but it wasn't available in the United States. But then the day it was available on Bluetti's website, I ordered one. It took a good week to come, but I did order one. So we're going to go ahead and unbox it. We're going to test it, and we're going to talk about it because this one sits in a unique place. It is a little guy. Just the box alone is so cute and so small and so light, and even these little Josh arms that don't lift. Oh, man. So oh yeah, here it is. The Elite what? Huh. This is not what I ordered. I ordered the 10, not this one. Okay, maybe the 10 will still be in here though. Let's take a look. I ordered it in green. This is definitely... Oh, yeah. Okay. Let me just go to my orders real quick. Yeah. Oh, no. I definitely ordered the Bluetti Elite 10. This was supposed to be the Elite 10. Which is actually kind of crazy because I was like, $199, it's not worth it. And it's on sale because the Elite 30 is $194 where it was whenever I ordered this. So, all right. Oh no. I do want to get the Elite 10 still. That's super depressing actually. So I already have the Elite 30 V2. I'm actually going to reach out to Bluetti because I already have... I literally had my Elite 30 next to me because I was getting ready to compare it to the Elite 10, but they messed up. I do really like the green a lot better though. It just looks so good. The green really does sell it. Oh, I love it. Love it. With this being said, the Elite 30, which I'm not even going to turn on the other one because I am going to contact Bluetti and see if they'd be willing to send me the one I ordered. But this is such an amazing power station because it's 288 watt hours. It is 600 watts. That will power so much. I can use this and I can power my carpet cleaner, like the little portable pet stain one, and I can take this out to my car. This little gem is so good. Absolutely so good. It is just amazing. And it can accept up to 200 watts of solar. It's got the freaking DC 5521. Why is that so important? On Amazon, you can purchase a DC 5521 to a DC fridge, such as the Anker Solix or the Iceco or any other DC refrigerator. And unlike the cigarette port where it's loose and it comes out real easily, this isn't going anywhere. It's super freaking awesome. And then you can also get this, which is DC 5521 to a normal cigarette lighter, plug that in, and now you have a cigarette lighter plus this cigarette lighter. Something I haven't tested is if I can draw the full 120 watts out of this and also use this because this is a 8 amp limit and this is a 10 amp limit. So I'm assuming they're on different like it's not combined with this one. I'm not 100% on that. But this little guy is such a gem. And then I can have my MacBook Pro 16-inch charging at 140 watts while my ROG Ally X charges at 100 watts while my phone charges at 15 watts, keeping internet going to my ROG Ally X and my laptop while my freaking DC fridge is cooling while I'm putting in 200 watts with solar. Dude, this little thing is so light, and it is just, the Elite 30 is in a class of its own. The only other thing that competes with this is the River 3 Plus. It has the same battery, the same wattage, the same UPS 10 millisecond switchover, the same amount of solar. It doesn't have DC 5521 if I can recall correctly, but it does have the expansion, and I actually have one powering my internet with the smaller expansion battery. They have one that's even larger that makes it up to almost a kilowatt hour, but this one you can't expand. But these little units, in my opinion, don't need expanding. You buy them because they're little and they're cheaper. All right, well, I thought this was going to be an Elite 10 unboxing, but it was not. I'm going to package up the Elite 30. I'm not even going to turn it on or set it up or anything, and then I'm going to contact Bluetti and see if they will correct it. And hopefully you'll see a video of the Bluetti Elite 10. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. I'm most active on my YouTube community page. Just go to my YouTube profile, youtube.com/whatwoldjoshdo. You'll see where it says posts, and click that, and you'll see all the latest behind the scenes and what I'm working on next and stuff like that. This is just short and sweet, like I said, because this was supposed to be an unboxing of the Elite 10, and then I was going to run the Elite 10 through its paces and plug a bunch of stuff up and try it out. I already know this is great. I've already done a video of the Elite 30. This is one of the best, if not the best, for the 288 watt-hour size batteries. Thanks for watching. This is What Would Josh Do, and I'm out.